Namaskar. Now, further to more examples on problem solving, we'll now do another little bigger formula and with format specification, problem of Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion. Very popular problem. Now you understand this input has been taken. So this will come as a text string which is converted to a float string. Okay, so we are getting into F name for this, F variable name, right? So this is the formula for conversion. If you have to reverse convert, then you have to use another formula. So formula works in float. So whatever F is collected is subtracted, 32 is subtracted first and 5 by 9 is calculated first and both are multiplied and centigrade is coming in float itself. In this particular case, we shall be displaying the result as a part of a string. So when we display result as a part of a string, we use the format specifier, and within the text string function, within this text there is an object called format. Okay, so with format we are passing this C, and with 6.2 we are ensuring that the minimum output width is 6 and up to 2 decimal places it is giving. So 6.2 F means the floating calculation is there, and this 0 means that this is the first value out of this. Suppose we are printing two values, we are printing F also, then another format we can give which will be 1. Okay, so we'll see more items to be printed, but right now we are only printing temperature in degrees Celsius. Let us run this program, enter the famous Fahrenheit value of human body temperature 98.6 we are entering, and see we are getting 37 output. And I have already taken the Google Gemini report about this, so we'll see that also. So this float input is there, this formula is there. Now it is explaining this 6.2 is a format specifier that ensures the output is a floating point number with a minimum width of 6 characters and exactly 2 decimal places. So this explains this code. Please do subscribe to our channel and please write your feedback in the comment section. We do reply to every feedback, and thank you.